At Life Drawing Academy, students get tasks on constructive drawing, and today we would like to share a report by Rose India Corroy, who is working on developing her perspective drawing skills.
Hi Vladimir, I just wanted to send in some of my cubes because I've just got to 20 cubes, and so it's a milestone out of 50, 40% done. Here's the 19th and 20th ones that I just finished, and here's all my other ones. And I think the task is going well. I'm learning so much, and your instructions are really, really helpful. And I'm finding it really interesting that sometimes the cubes are slightly wider than they are tall, and sometimes they're taller than they are wide. And measuring the angles and seeing all these different relationships and then inscribing the ovals inside them, I'm seeing a lot of connections. So I appreciate this task, and yeah, it's going well, I think, but I will wait and see what you think. So thank you.
Also, I have a Notion page where I keep track of how many hours I spend on Drawing Academy, and I can track my progress for how much I've done on the cubes task. And then I also can keep all my notes and feedback in here, which is really helpful.
Thank you, Rose. You are making very good progress in the Life Drawing Academy correspondence course. I have no doubts that by the end of this course you will achieve the advanced level of drawing skills. This is just your 9th task, but you already demonstrated better skills than many contemporary art college graduates have. They would only dream about getting the same drawing curriculum you have. Imagine how much more you will learn in the remaining 91 tasks. If an example of Rose inspires you and you would like to get the same personal tutoring, check out what Life Drawing Academy is about by watching its free drawing tutorials at lifedrawing.academy/free.